Alright, so today we're showing a Heald 273A ID grinder. This is a dedicated ID grinder. This has recently been rebuilt by Grinders Clearinghouse. Machine is in wonderful condition. They did a wonderful job on it. We just basically cleaned it up, took off some of the dirt that accumulated on it. I have it feeding here right now. We're going to feed down to close to 0 and then go into our fine feed mode. You adjust your speed with this lever here. You can stop the table and move this around by hand. This is very easy to move. It's got a very nice float. You've got the facing attachment here with your different stops, as well as the moving of it in and out. On the side here we've got the sign bar attachment, as well as the special stops. You got 3 different stops that you can set your cross slide at. This is your cross slide here. This moves nice and easy, no problem. This is an extended base machine. That's what these pipes are. These rods back here, these are set to a certain length, so you can have everything nice and even here. This whole slide can actually come down further all the way to the very end here, or anywhere in between. This is what they consider the extended base. Well, again, this is your 3 position for these special stops that work in conjunction with the dead stop fixed to the side of the machine. Your headstock here, you loosen up a couple of bolts and put your Allen wrench in here, and this will swivel very nicely. It's all been cleaned up. This is your magnetic chuck. I'm going to start that up. There's your chuck, variable speed. Start the grinding wheel motor. Now we're getting ready to ship the machine. This is the spindle for it right here. As you can see, it's pretty big, it's pretty heavy. I personally don't like to have something this heavy sitting on the machine while it's being shipped down the road. Plus with its length and with the bracket that we have to mount here, I've decided to take the spindle off. We're going to pack it in a box separately. But I can start the motor. That's the spindle motor, very powerful. You've got a fold down guard for your grinding wheel, and tucked away back there is your diamond dresser for your ID wheel. And that's pretty much it. That's the Heald 273A. Everything is functioning nicely. This machine is currently wired for 440 volts, and that's it. Thank you.